Welcome back to Science and Health Hub TV, where we explore natural ways to boost your vitality, energy, and well-being. In today's video, we're making a powerful libido-enhancing smoothie using 3 ancient superfoods: maca root, dates, and ginseng. Whether you're looking to spice up your intimacy, increase stamina, or naturally support hormonal balance, this smoothie is for you. First, let's break down the 3 key ingredients and why they're so effective. Maca root powder is native to the Andes Mountains and is known to support sexual desire, hormone balance, and energy. It's especially helpful for enhancing libido in both men and women, reducing stress and improving endurance. Dates are not just sweet and delicious. They're packed with natural sugars, zinc, magnesium, and amino acids like arginine, which supports blood flow and stamina. They help regulate hormones and provide quick energy, a perfect base for a pre-romance smoothie. Ginseng is often called the king of herbs. It's a natural libido enhancer used in traditional Chinese and Korean medicine. It may increase nitric oxide production, improving blood circulation and sexual function. Studies also suggest ginseng boosts energy and reduces fatigue. These 3 work together to create a powerful, natural aphrodisiac blend. And we're going to turn them into something tasty. Here's what you'll need to make 1 serving. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon maca root powder, 3 to 4. Medjool dates, pitted 1-2 teaspoon ginseng powder, or extract 1 tablespoon almond butter or peanut butter, optional. A pinch of cinnamon, optional. 1-2 cup ice, optional. Start by soaking your dates in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes if they're not soft. Add your almond milk to the blender. Then add the banana, maca powder, soaked dates, and ginseng. Toss in the nut butter and cinnamon if you're using them, and blend everything until smooth and creamy. Pour it into a glass, take a deep breath, and enjoy the benefits. For best results, drink this smoothie in the morning for a natural energy boost, or 1 to 2 hours before intimacy. Consistent use can support long-term libido and hormone balance. Be consistent. Herbal remedies work best over time. Choose high-quality ingredients. Organic maca and high-grade ginseng make a difference. Pair this smoothie with healthy lifestyle habits. Sleep, exercise, and stress management all play a role in natural libido health. And as always, check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're taking medication or managing health conditions. This smoothie isn't just delicious. It's a blend of ancient wisdom and modern science, made to support your body, mind, and intimate wellness. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Science and Health Hub TV for more science-backed natural health tips and remedies. Thanks for watching. Here's to energy, intimacy, and a naturally healthy life.